Hello guys, I am Arvind and welcome to this session. And in this session, we are going to check whether the given number is an Armstrong number or not. So let's take an example of Armstrong number. If sum of cubes of each digit is equal to that number, then number is called Armstrong number. So guys, now let me open up the Jupyter notebook where I will show you the implementation of Armstrong number. So guys, to check whether the given number is an Armstrong number or not, first of all we need to take the input from the user with the help of input method. So let's use the input method. And now guys, we are using a sum variable and we have initialized sum by 0, and this sum variable will be used to get the sum of cubes of each digits, and then we will assign n to t for the further comparison. And now guys, I am using while loop here. So the condition will be t greater than 0 because we have assigned n to t. And now I am taking remainder from the t value. So it will give you the last digit from that number. And now I am calculating the sum of cubes. And then we will divide t by 10. It is basically an integer division. And now guys, if n equals to sum, then we can say that n is an Armstrong number. Otherwise, is not an Armstrong number. Now guys, if I run this program, it is requesting to enter the number. So let me enter the number. Guys, it is printing 153 is an Armstrong number. So let me run this program again. Now it is requesting another number. So let me enter let's say 562. Now 562 is not an Armstrong number. Now guys, let me run this program again and let me enter let's say 371, and 371 is an Armstrong number. So guys, I hope it is clear to you, and thank you so much guys for watching this video. Just in case you liked it, do not forget to like and subscribe. I will see you then in the next video.